In this video, we'll learn how to draw perpendicular line to the given line when point is on the line, then when point is outside the line, and how to draw perpendicular bisector of a segment of a given length. So, how to draw a perpendicular line to the given line when point A is on the line. So let us first draw the line L. Line L. Now take point A on the line. Take point A on the line. With the help of compass, keep the pointer at A. Draw one arc on left hand side of point A and cut the line L, and one arc on right hand side. Now keep the pointer at A on the arc, on right hand side arc. Take more than half the distance between two arcs and draw the one arc above the line L and one arc below the line L. Then from the left hand side arc, cut the arc above the line L and arc below the line L and draw the perpendicular line to the given line L, which will pass through point A. Now we will learn how to draw perpendicular line to the given line when point A is outside the line. So first, given line L is given. Now point A is outside the line. L point A is, from this point we have to draw a perpendicular line to line L. Now the steps to draw the perpendicular line from A, keep the pointer of the compass at A and cut the line L in two arcs, 2 points with the help of compass. So from these 2 points where the arc is intersecting line L, keep the pointer of the compass. Take more than half the distance from between the arcs where it is intersecting line L, more than half the distance, and draw one arc below the line L and keep the pointer at another point and intersect that arc. Then draw the line, perpendicular line, which will pass through point A. This is how we can draw the perpendicular line to the given line when point A is outside the line L. Next construction is, draw the segment AB of length equal to 5 cm and bisect it. Bisect it means we have to divide the segment into two equal parts, that is we have to draw the perpendicular bisector of segment AB of length 5 cm. So first, let us first draw the length segment AB of length 5 cm. Segment AB of length 5 cm. AB of length 5 cm. Now keep the pointer of the compass at B. Take more than half the distance of AB and draw one arc above the segment AB and one arc below. Then cut the arc up from above the segment AB from point A. Keep the pointer at point A of the compass and cut both the arcs below and above the segment AB. And now draw the perpendicular bisector of segment AB, joining the point of intersection of both the arcs. This is the perpendicular bisector which divides the segment AB into two equal parts. Next, draw the perpendicular bisector of segment AB of length 7 centimeter. So let us draw the perpendicular bisector of segment of length 7 centimeter. So first draw the segment of length 7 centimeter. The help of scale. Then segment AB of length 7 centimeter. Then with the help of compass, keep the pointer of the compass at B. Take more than half the length of AB and draw one arc above the segment AB and one arc below the segment AB. Then keep the pointer of the compass at another end point A of the segment AB and cut the arc above and arc below the segment AB and draw the perpendicular line joining both the point of intersection of the arcs which are drawn above and below the segment AB. This is how we can draw the perpendicular bisector of segment AB. Here this AM is congruent to MB. This is how we can draw the perpendicular bisector of a given segment of a given length. All of you draw all constructions in your notebook.